Well guys, I got the tractor started up and I'm going to take it around back and see about this John Deere planter sitting at the end of the woods. Come on, thing, run. We didn't get that much snow. Smoking. Well guys, this is the planter. I don't really know much about it. I can't even read anything on it no more. It says, oh, there's John Deere. There's John Deere right there, but I'm not sure what type of planter it is or nothing, but I'm gonna pull it out of here eventually and restore it, take it up to the house. I'm gonna try to restore it, but I don't really, like I said, I really don't know anything about it. But if anybody on YouTube can help me try to see what type what model it is or anything, just leave me a comment. But that's all for now guys. See y'all later.